GICHI, MANIDOO, and Michael,
and Natasha.
Dagawi, Duka, Wishin, Nando, Middleway, Nungu, MIIGWECH, GICHI, Kakina, Gegu, MIIGWECH, GICHI, Chikea, Nungu, MIIGWECH, GICHI, way back. MIIGWECH, GICHI, Gijaguk, MIIGWECH, Bimanazian, Mino Bimanazian, MIIGWECH, MIIGWECH. Okay, hey, BOOZHOO. Welcome back to what is normally the BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO podcast. It's a Friday night open mic.
Yeah, now it's a Friday night.
For anyone who's
mic.
stumbled across this channel normally. Okay, hey, BOOZHOO, and welcome back to the show. Welcome back to BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO, the morning live stream podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am NANABOOZHOO, and this over here, the lovely and the talented Natasha. Ikadon BOOZHOO, Weenie Mushain. Say hello, sweetheart.
Hello, everybody. BOOZHOO Kakina, and welcome to the show.
How you doing, baby?
Oh, I'm doing great. How are you?
Pretty good mood, actually. I gotta say, I don't know. It must have been all the what was that, a cinnamon roll that Cindy gave us last night?
Yeah, those are good, huh?
I'm all wired on sugar now. Hey, and look over here. It's the Rockstar Cartoonist. How you doing, brother? I'm doing great. How are you? Again, I'm loaded on sugar, so I'm in a good mood. Ladies and gentlemen, Michael Lyons, the Rockstar Cartoonist. Say hello, Niji. BOOZHOO, everyone. Welcome to the show. You got any books in the works? Actually, just this morning I know I've made these promises before, but I think starting in the end of April, I'm predicting I'm going to start a new NANABOOZHOO and Natasha coloring book, Ojibwe book. Really? Yep. All right. If you need me to promote it on this show, you just tell me. Yeah, I will. But I don't want to give away the surprise yet. Okay. So, there you go. Let's see who's here. Zagame. Mino Giga Jabe. Zagame. Zagame's here, sweetie.
Well, good morning, Zagame. How you doing, my girl?
It's nice to see you. Nice to see you here on this Friday morning. On a Nano Gija Good Giga Jabe. It is the 5th day morning. In Ojibwe, our word for Friday, we call it Nano. Good. Get your Bejigo, Nijo, Nisweo, Nio, Nano. 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th. I've got Friday on my mind. Gonna have fun in the city, do, 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 do. Be with my girl, she's so pretty, do, 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 do. She is on tonight. She is out of sight to me. Bowie.
Old Bowie. Deep Tracks Bowie.
Bowie Deep Tracks. Today on Bowie Deep Tracks, I would like to discuss old David Bowie songs. What's a good old David Bowie song?
Old David Bowie. The Wild-Eyed Boy from Free Cloud.
The Wild-Eyed Boy from Free Cloud. The colleges fell like playing card hell,
and the tears on the face of the wise boy
came trembling down to the rumbling ground.
And the missionary mystic of peace, love,
I stumbled back to cry among the clouds,
kicking back the pebbles from the free cloud mountain track. Nah.
Wild-eyed boy from Free Cloud.
Hey, Shelly Hams here, sweetie.
Oh, bonjour, Shelly. Bonjour, Shelly. Shelly says, Happy Friday. Minawana gozi. Nano gisha good. Happy Friday. Namino, I'm happy. Minawana gozi. Be happy, or just happy. Nano gisha. Happy Friday. Happy Friday, everybody. You made it. Another week down. Teachers, you just got to go 2 more weeks of March. And then what? Now there's April and May. Then the big payoff comes. You don't have to go into school for 3 months. You're making more money than a lot of people who work full time. But you get a 3-month paid vacation every year. Good job. But this is the time of year when teachers are like, ugh, will it never be the end of the school year? I'm so sick of this. You know, you can always tell a teacher on the last day of school.
How's that?
Because they're swerving all over the roads because they're drunk. And then they got Alice Cooper's na 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 na.
School's out?
Yeah, they have Alice Cooper blaring from their cars as they drunk drive. Because they get off work at 3 on that last day of school. And they go straight to the bar. And they live it up for 2 hours. So by 5:30 max, you got a whole army of drunken teachers driving around the road. So be careful. Hey, I wonder if last night how many people died on the roads.
Oh, because it was St. Patrick's Day.
Yeah. St. Patrick, the patron saint of alcoholics and alcoholism.
Yeah, huh?
And green beer. And green shakes for some reason. I totally ignored St. Patrick's Day yesterday. I didn't wish anybody a happy St. Patrick's Day at all. I forgot all about it. Because that's what happens when you quit drinking. St. Patrick's Day is meaningless. You know, that used to be like a kind of a holiday for all the bar guys. But now, you know. And if you were like in a bar band, you'd be like, hey, St. Patrick's Day is coming up. That's a Thursday night gig, you know. Green, you know, that's green money in my pocket. That's what St. Patrick is. Zagame's like, yuck, green beer. I don't know. But you drink it on St. Patrick's Day, unless you're racist against the Irish. Are you racist against the Irish?
No, I'm not racist against the Irish. What a thing to ask. Are you?
Me? No. I don't know. Maybe I am. What? No, I got nothing against Irish. I don't have anything against anybody, really. I'm not even mad at Russia.
I know. Don't say that, though.
I know. Like, if you watch anything on TV, it's like everybody has to chime in. Oh, by the way, we hate that murderous thug, Putin. Oh, he's the worst. He's worse since Hitler. I'm like, yeah, I don't know. No, I don't condone bombing people. But, I don't know. Apparently there's been a war in Mexico for the last 10 years. Where, like, the drug cartel took on the Mexican army and won. Burning, you know, it was a war just south of our country. A real war. And, don't really have an opinion on that either. Are you saying you support the drug cartel? You don't support the government of Mexico? What? I don't know. I'm not into sports. To me, it's all like football games. Oh, really? So, Ukraine is on defense, and Russia's on the offense. Tune in tonight for Monday Night Football. Gonna play football. What was that Christmas song they used to sing for Monday Night Football?
Oh, yeah. I think that guy got in trouble for some reason.
A country singer? Are you ready for some football? Or no, the Christmas song is dun 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 dun. I don't know. I haven't watched football in a long time. I don't know what they're up to anymore. I don't know, sweetie.
I don't know either.
Bindigay-da. Let's go inside.
We are inside, sweetie.
Oh, well then let's go outside. Zaganda.
You want to go outside?
Zaganda. Let's go outside.
Both of us?
Yeah.
I can't right now.
Why not?
Because I got to work the teleporter, silly. If we both go out, then no one can teleport us back.
All right. Should I go outside?
I'll teleport you outside real quick.
All right. Zaganda. Zagun is to go outside. And if you say let's, you got to add a da. Bindigada. Bindigada. Binigay? I think it's supposed to be a D in that word. Bindigay. I misspelled that. But you know, if you ever go into a store in Bemidji, they're going to have two words there. They're going to say, welcome. And then BOOZHOO. And I always thought it should say Bindigain. Bindigain with a D. And I've always been kind of like less than impressed that they went through all the trouble of, oh, look, let's pat ourselves on the back for the Ojibwe signage around town. But they couldn't be bothered to look up the word for come inside. Or, you know, enter. Actually, you know what enter is, sweetie?
I do.
I know you do. Bindigain. See, there's a D in there. Bindigain. Enter. It should say Bindigain or Bindigag. Bindigag. Bindigag is like a whole group of people. Enter, all of yous.
All of yous.
Yeah, yous. That's plural of, that's you all in res slang.
I love resting. Slang.
Yeah, me too. Skodan. Studus. Hoa.
Nah.
Nah.
Yeah.
Bindigig. Enter, all of yous. But for now, Saganda. Ninea or Niwi Agwaching. Niwi Gwe Agwaching. I want to go outside.
Okay. I wanted to teleport.
Make it so, number one.
All right, hang on.
Let me go outside. Oh, look at this. I'm in Cass Lake. Bloop. Hey, honey.
Hey, baby.
You put me out on the side of the road here by the... this is the casino road, isn't it?
Yep.
I'm not far from Mokaam.
Nope, that's right on the road.
Anyway, here we are. Agwaching, outside. Zaganda, let's go outside. But then when you actually are outside, we call it Agwaching. Bindigada, let's go inside. And let me put out a little tobacco. Sema. GICHI MANIDOO. Great Spirit. MIIGWECH. Oh yeah, that's the name of the show today. I think I said MIIGWECH GICHI MANIDOO. Thanks, Great Spirit. Apenge. Accept my tobacco. I couldn't think of what a title should be for the show today. And so I was just like, thank you, Great Spirit. MIIGWECH, GICHI. Because sometimes, people will tune into an Ojibwe show when they see a word they already know. They're like, oh yeah, let's see how this guy teaches this word I already know. And most Ojibwe people already know the words MIIGWECH and GICHI MANIDOO. So I was thinking maybe more people would tune in. Let's go inside. Let's go inside and learn how to spell.
Okay, BOOZHOO.
Hi, sweetie.
Hi, honey. You ready to come home?
Yeah, can you pick me up?
Okay. Gonna scan for your coordinates.
All right.
1 to teleport.
Make it so, sweetie pie.
Nah. Hey, welcome back.
Thank you.
How was that side?
It's gorgeous. It's going to be another beautiful spring day. Ziguan. Spring. But I just put a little tobacco in and taught the phrase of the day that's in the title of this live stream.
Oh, MIIGWECH, GICHI MANIDOO.
Yeah.
Thanks, Great Spirit.
MIIGWECH, GICHI MANIDOO. MIIGWECH, GICHI MANIDOO. That can be enough, by the way. This is for the kids. This is some spiritual instruction from your elder. Let's say you don't remember much Ojibwe, but you want to go out and you want to do a real tobacco ceremony and pray in the Indian way. Get up before the sun gets up. Grab a pinch of tobacco. Go out there and just say those 2 words. MIIGWECH, or 3 words, I guess. MIIGWECH, GICHI MANIDOO. Thank you, Great Spirit. Put that tobacco out. And that's enough. You can do the rest in English. Or you can just go back inside. Sometimes it's just good to just thank your Creator. What else do we have here? Another kind of... Oh, Maja. And if you want to go, it's time we should be going. It's time to Maja. Or as people in Cass Lake say, I think it's time to Majan.
Yeah, it's time to mosey on.
Time to mosey on, time to Majan. Maja. And if you want to tell everyone to leave, you go, Majag. Hey, closing time. One last call for alcohol. So finish your crappy song. Closing time. Majag. Leave, all of yous. You don't have to stay. You don't have to go home, but you can't stay here. It's closing time. Majag. So that's what they say when you go to a reservation bar at closing time. Majag. You squaby bunch of drunks. It's closing time. I got a life too, We're not just going to keep the bar open all night. But closing time. One last call for alcohol. Who else is here? Shady Side Locust. How? BOOZHOO, Shady Side Locust.
Okay, Shady Side Locust. Me no giga shame.
School's out for summer. Zagame. Dr. Evils is back. Hey, BOOZHOO, Dr. Evils. Dr. Evil says good morning, Natasha.
Well, good morning, Dr. Evils.
Oh, beautiful for spacious mugs, for amber waves of beer. That's pretty good. Hey, and Cousin Missy's here too, sweetie.
BOOZHOO, Missy.
How's it going, Missy? Missy's going to come visit today.
I know, huh?
Should we go for pizza?
Maybe go to Country Kitchen with Missy.
You want to go to Country Kitchen again?
Yeah.
All right. You want to go to Country Kitchen, Missy? La, 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 la. Where's my bronze space junk? Says Shady Lucas. Oh, we got to give out our gold, silver, and bronze stars.
Oh, I forgot. Who was here first?
I think Zagame was here first.
Gold star for Zagame.
Zagame, get your gold star. Well done. And then Shelly Ham.
Silver star for Shelly.
Won't you be my number 2? You're in second place, Shelly Ham. And then Shady Side Locust comes in third with the bronze star.
Bronze star.
Stars. You know, in the Bible, they talk about in the end times, the stars will fall to the earth like figs being shaken from a tree. That's the Bible. Christians, I agree with it. I think the Bible's true. That's why stars are not enormous balls of fire bigger than the sun, millions of miles away. No, they're little lights in the sky. They're twinkle, twinkle, little stars. They're little stars. They're not big. Stars are smaller than the moon, obviously. Take a look. But nobody wants to be unplugged from the lies. People want to believe everything they were taught in school. You say my science teacher was a liar? Well, guess what? My science teacher could beat up your science teacher. Yeah, probably. I'd like to see Einstein fight anybody. I don't think Einstein could fight.
You don't think he was a scrappy little guy?
No. I think he was a creep. La-dee-da. Ruby's here. Hey, Ruby. I'm so glad to see you. Mino, Giga, Jabe, everyone. God bless us, everyone. Said that little crip.
Hey, that's not the word. He's disabled.
No, he was a crip. He was in the, like the Crips and the Bloods.
Oh, I thought you were calling him a cripple.
Never. You know me. I'm PC.
You are not.
Certain words you should never say. Don't even think them. Like the N-word.
Don't talk about the N-word.
Hey, don't call me an Indian. That's a colonizer's word. Dude, do you know how that makes us feel when you say the I word? You remind us of all our oppression? About how Columbus came here and stole our land? Do you know how that makes us feel when you call us Indians? Yeah, we don't really care. That's what we call ourselves, whatever. That's the I word. I just want white people to start saying I word. If they're going to say N word, then they should say I word. And the M word.
What's the M word?
Mexican.
I don't think Mexican's the same thing.
It's not?
No, it's got to be a racial slur.
Mexican's not a racial slur?
No.
Why does it always sound like it? Look at all those Mexicans working in the fields.
Oh, well, that sounds kind of racist.
But
especially if they're Americans.
Oh, yeah, I suppose. Yeah, it's a racial slur if you call a bunch of Americans Mexicans when they're actually, American. Latinas and Latinos. Hispanic speakers or whatever. I can't keep up. They keep changing the terms. I was happy with the term redskin. I don't know why that. I don't remember hearing people complain.
Me either. I like Dirty Savage.
Yeah, I know. When did Dirty Savage go out of favor? I don't know. I want to bring back the term gay.
What do you mean?
I don't think it should mean gay anymore. I think it should go back to meaning happy.
'Cause I feel witty, oh so pretty. I feel pretty and witty and gay.
Exactly. If you feel pretty and witty and gay, that's awesome. If you're a woman from the old days singing about how pretty she feels. Nowadays, when a man sings that song, it has a totally different connotation. I feel pretty, oh so witty. I feel pretty and witty and gay. And people are like, oh, good for you, NANABOOZHOO, coming out of the closet like that. I'm like, no, I'm saying I'm happy. Hey, we support your alternative lifestyle. It's like, no. When I say I'm gay, I'm saying I'm happy. I'm gay. And when I dance gaily, that means I'm dancing like a happy guy. You know, whatever. I'm not dancing gaily like ballet. You think ballet is gay? Ballet is super gay. No. Ballet is super, homosexual. Being happy gay, or happy... See, I can't... Now it's... I guess I can't... Now it's become to mean gay. I can't bring it back. I lost that one.
We're just going to have to think of it. You call it the G word.
The G word. I mean, that's that slippery slope thing. It's like, if you call somebody gay, is it an insult? So is the G, is gay the N word for gays? Is G, Because it's not cool when you call something gay meaning bad. But if you call something gay meaning happy, I don't know. Maybe being gay aspires to being happy. Ruby says maybe being gay aspires to being happy. Well, is that what they're saying anyway? That don't worry about us, we're happy. We're happily two dudes. We're happily taking maternity leave with Pete Buttigieg, whatever that guy's name is. We're happy. I wonder what Nikosa means. Nikusa? Kind of looks like Nikusa. Like, not Nokomis. Nikusa. I don't know. Zagame says, I'm confused. Oh, are you thinking I'm making a point? No, I'm just rattling off. Go with me. I'm just talking nonsense on this Friday morning. I don't really have a point. Jussie Smollett's out of jail. Speaking of gays. Only he's not so happy. This is the problem, You go, oh, that guy's gay. Really? He doesn't look too gay to me. He looks pretty sad.
Yeah. But they let him out of jail?
Yeah, he served his time. Welcome back to society, Juicy. Lawyers got him out of jail. They said, wow, we're going to appeal it or something. Got him out on bond. So, I don't know. Justice will be served. I mean, I think it's hilarious, and I think what he did is illegal, and he should go to jail for it. But I also think the only person he even hurt was himself. So, are you feeling pretty and witty and gay now, Juicy Smollett? But yeah, so Juicy's out of jail. Careful where you walk at night in California now, you guys. You never know. Juicy Smollett might be there to fake a hate crime on you. Full on tears. In the end, though, it won't even hurt his career.
You don't think so?
No, not at all. He'll be hosting Saturday Night Live within the year. Pee Wee Herman got his career back.
I know. And he was like really gross.
Yeah, he was really gross, but he didn't do anything illegal. Juicy Smollett actually broke the law in a number of ways. And perjured himself in a court of law.
Yeah.
Nakusa is close to Nokomis in Wakanda. That's what I was thinking too, Nokomis, like grandma. says Shady Sad Locust. And I said, welcome. Welcome to BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO. We got plenty of guns around. So what else is going on today, sweetie?
I don't know. Do you want to talk about Dances with Wolves?
Should I talk about Dances with Wolves? Back in the days of the grandfathers, there was a movie called Dances with Wolves, starring Kicking Bird and John Dunbar, also known as Graham Greene and Kevin Costner. And it's a story of a man who gave up his mustache for a life with the Dakota. And that, one of those white girls who grows up on the res stands with a fist, snags one of the locals, shaves off his mustache, and rides off into the sunset after killing a bunch of defenseless buffalo. This is the story of how the Dakota slaughtered the buffalo. I want to remake Dances with Wolves only from the perspective of the buffalo. About how they were being hunted and persecuted and oppressed by both sides. And that when the white man came, it got even worse. Because now the Indians were armed against the peaceful buffalo. You know what I'm saying, sweetie? Buffalo is supposed to mean respect.
Yeah, huh?
Mushkode Bajike. It's the medicine cow, you guys. But no. Dakota had to hunt them down, drive them from their homeland, kill them. There's even stories, I don't know if it's true, where the Dakota would actually use the skin. They would rip their very skin from the bones of the buffalo and wear them as a clothing. They would blankets. It was sick, man. Moshkode Bajike. And in the 7 grandfather teachings, it's supposed to represent respect. Manidoo Moen. Yeah.
Do you really care?
Not at all. Just kidding. But you could make an argument. Then there's the wolf, MIIGWECH, like the Dances with Wolves. That's a pretty slick connection how this picture lined up like that.
Yeah.
MIIGWECH is a wolf. And they represent humility. And it feels like they represent humility because they're compared to a dog. A dog is very proud. A dog is a wolf who has changed himself, made himself the most agreeable wolf to Anishinaabe. A dog, Anamosh, is a friend to the human being. They sometimes call him man's best friend.
And woman's best friend, too.
And woman's best friend, too. A dog is really something else. But a wolf, he's humble, humility. He's not he doesn't want to be seen like the dog. I saw a wolf once on a bike trail. He accidentally ran out in front of me. There was tall grass on both sides of this bike trail, and I was walking down the middle. And this wolf ran out from the long grass. And he didn't turn his head to look at me. But I knew he saw me. He just turned away, stayed crouched low, like he was hunting or something, but I think he was just instinctively trying not to be seen, even though he was just on the bike trail. Ran up about 30 feet, hung a sharp right. 2 seconds later, he's 30 yards away, 50 yards away, and I see his little head pop up and look at me and run off into the woods. And I was like, oh, wow. A big old gray wolf, And I immediately thought, wow, that wolf moves way different than dogs do. You know, dogs like kind of dopey.
Yeah, they just kind of prance around.
Yeah, dogs are hilarious. But wolves are like on a mission. You know, they're trying not to be seen, and they're probably looking to murder something. But they have the humility. They're not trying to, hey, look at me. I'm not going to. You can't teach a wolf to shake and roll over and play fetch. They should represent pride, actually. But they represent humility. Tabadain dizzy win. You got to be humble.
Hey, Surrealist is here, sweetie. Well, BOOZHOO, Surrealist.
Surrealist says, dogs have trained humans to serve them. That's another way to look at it, actually. A dog is I think cats definitely domesticated humans to be their pets. but yeah. Because really, their dog survival is totally based on making the humans love them, and then therefore feed them, shelter them, obey their commands. A dog, barks at the door, they let him in, let him out to go to the bathroom. Yeah, there's a lot to that. On a trip with NANABOOZHOO. MIIGWECH on a trip with NANABOOZHOO. We're going on a trip with the wolves and the buffalo. Respect and humility. I'm really humble, huh, sweetie?
Yeah, you are.
I get on and I crack wise every 24 hours to YouTube. Gotta light up my face with these lights. Turn on a camera. Give myself some theme music in a background. Hey, today I'm going to talk about humility. You know, as an Anishinaabe man, Anishinaabe Winini, I am very humble. I'm so humble. I should get an award for being humble. I don't know. The Three Detectives is a book about three detectives named Wolf, Chick, and Bell. Detective Bell made bell bottoms popular. I'm old enough to remember when bell bottoms were popular the first time. My stupid uncle was teasing me for my ripped jeans the other day.
What'd he say?
He said, yeah. I go, what, you haven't seen jeans like this? Because, no, I've seen them on my 13-year-old granddaughter. It's like, hey, it was my generation that started the ripped jeans look. The 13-year-old girls are copying me. I don't dress like a 13-year-old girl in the mall.
That's because you have holy jeans.
Yeah. But I think he made a point. All right. So there you go. Respect, humility, dances with wolves. And this has been the story of John Dunbar and the dance with the wolves. Whatever. Yeah, I love the movie. What's it to you?
I didn't say anything.
But we're not here to talk about that. Enough of this. Oh, every day with this guy. Hey, did you see this Indian movie? Remember that scene in Smoke Signals? I'm sick of myself, sweetie.
Get out of here.
I think we have one last chance.
Last chance. It's a last dance.
Yeah, what is that?
I started singing Donna Summer, and then I was thinking of Under Pressure.
Bum ba da bum ba da bum bum. 'Cause love's such an old-fashioned word, and love dares you to care for the people on the edge of the night. Okay, I'm not going to sing the whole song. But there's a line in there about this is the last dance. This is our last chance. But this is a song called Last Dance with Mary Jane.
Oh, yeah.
Last Dance. What do you think Last Dance with Mary Jane is about?
Well, nobody knew it at the time, but I think he's talking about marijuana.
You think Last Dance with Mary Jane means the last time he's going to smoke the reefer?
I think it's about giving up reefer.
Last Dance with Mary Jane. One more time to kill the pain. That could be. People who don't smoke marijuana think it's a pain medicine.
I know. Why do they think that?
Because potheads don't want to tell them that has nothing to do with it. Last Dance with Mary Jane. One more time to kill the pain. La-di-da-di-da-di-dum. And up next, the lovely and the talented Natasha. This is Last Dance with Mary Jane. MIIGWECH, BOOZHOO. Thank you for listening.
She grew up in an Indiana town, had a good-looking mama who never was around. But she grew up tall and she grew up right, with some Indiana boys on an Indiana night. Wait a hey, and she came here at the age of 18, blew the boys away, it was more than they'd seen. We were introduced and we both started grooving. She said, I dig you, baby, but I gotta keep moving on. I got a mahjong. Last Dance with Mary Jane. One more time to kill the pain. And I feel summer creeping in, and I'm tired of this town again. Well, I don't know what I've been told. You never slow down, you never grow old. I'm tired of screwing up, I'm tired of going down. I'm tired of myself and I'm tired of this town. Whoa, my, whoa, hell yes. Gotta put on that jingle dress. Buy me a drink, sing me a song. Take me as I am, 'cause I can't stay long. Last Dance with Mary Jane. One more time to kill the pain. And I feel summer creeping in, and I'm tired of this town again. Ladies and gentlemen, Lyons.
BOOZHOO, Gakina. How you doing? Natasha Nindish. Natasha is my name. That was cool, Michael.
Hey, thanks a lot.
And, yeah. Last Dance with Mary Jane, sweetie.
Yeah.
I don't know. He's dead now too, huh?
Yep.
All the rock stars are dying.
Well, we're getting old.
What was another one he had?
He had a bunch.
Don't come around here no more. Whatever you're looking for. I've given up. Stop! I'm waiting any longer. Yeah. Memories. Hey, you guys, keep an eye out for Spotify. Michael will have his soon. Michael, is Missy gonna put up a Spotify page for you?
I don't know. We're going to talk about some stuff today.
Okay. You gonna let us know?
Of course.
La la la, do do do, Spotify. I also think we might have to do a live concert this summer.
A live concert?
Well, like a pre-taped live performance with you, me, and NANABOOZHOO. And release some of the songs again. Make a big thing out of it. We could put that on Spotify.
That's a good idea.
Oh, I got all kinds of ideas. It's springtime. Ziguan. It's time to start stuff. Wanna be starting something. Got to be starting something. Wanna be starting something. Got to be starting something. Hard to get over. Gone too low to get under. Stuck in the middle. And the pain is thunder. It's too high to get over. It's too low to get under. You're stuck in the middle. Oh yeah, Michael Jackson. I'm gonna make a change for once in my life. It's gonna feel real good. I'm gonna make a difference. Gonna make it right, huh, sweetie?
If you say so.
Gonna turn up the collar on my favorite winter coat. The sun is blinding my mind. The children on the street. Yeah, so Jesse Smollett is a free man. Alec Baldwin's a free man. I think Bill Cosby, he's free too, huh?
Yeah, I think they let him out. Is he still alive?
I think so. He didn't die, did he?
We'd probably notice if he had died.
Yeah. I'm sure they'd make a big thing out of it if he died. What other injustices aren't going on? They don't seem to be talking about COVID and vaccinations and masks anymore. Or maybe I'm just missing out.
Yeah, everything's about Russia now.
Yeah. Which I don't miss. I'm cool with it, you know. I'm not like, oh, I wish the news could scare us to death with stories of the pandemic and, you know, threats of turning America into 1984 or some Blade Runner or something. You know. But that season seems to be passing too. Kind of like the winter season. I don't know. Maybe I should go outside and say a prayer. Oh yeah, that's one of our words. Zagunda! Zagunda! Let's go outside. Hey you guys, Zagunda! Let's go outside. Sweetie, would you mind teleporting me somewhere?
Somewhere Agua Ching?
Yeah.
All right, hang on. All right, I got you. I'm going to set you down in those Chester Bowl Park walk in Duluth.
Okay. I'm going out to Duluth.
All right, 1 to teleport.
Make it so, number 1.
Come, it's not working.
Remember, you gotta...
Yeah, wiggle this wire and push the button.
Yep.
Wiggle the wire, push and hold, right?
Push and hold.
There we go.
That did nothing.
Okay, hang on. I'm going to push and hold the button.
Wiggle the wire first, then push and hold. But keep wiggling while the teleportation.
Okay, hang on.
This thing is really old.
All right. Push and... Okay, there we go.
I wasn't sure I was going to make it. That old thing. You know what it's like when you got an old broken down... You know, after a while, it costs more to keep a teleporter, keep an old teleporter running than it would if you just went out and bought a new one. But I just don't want to go into debt just for a stupid teleporter. You know, we don't use it that much. And I could get by without one, but... So that's where we're at, just trying to, you know, rig it up every day. Oh, maybe I'll make it one more time before it, you know, kills me. Anywho, let me grab a little Asema. Some Asema. I'm gonna say, GICHI MANIDOO. Ninya Natasha. Takawi Tukawishin. Ando Minowe Nungo. Great Spirit, it's Natasha. Help me to speak well today. MIIGWECH GICHI MANIDOO, like the name of the show. Thank you, Great Spirit. MIIGWECH GICHI KAKINA GEKU. GICHI CHIKEA NUNGUM. Thank you for everything that you do today. MIIGWECH GICHI way back. Thank you for the weather. Warming up. Snow is going to be melting soon. It has melted a lot already, but there's still a couple inches to go. MIIGWECH GICHI KIJAKUK. Thank you for this day. MIIGWECH GICHI Bamadaziyan. Mino Bamadaziyan. Thank you for my good life. I really appreciate it. MIIGWECH GICHI KAKE Ningashkenda Moen. Thank you for healing my grief, for healing my sadness. MIIGWECH for everything. Kakina Geku. I don't know, just thank you for everything. Thanks for keeping me out of trouble. I don't miss the bar life. Last night was St. Patrick's Day. And I'm not going to say I have good St. Patrick's Day memories. I'm going to tell you I have stories of St. Patrick's Days that I remember. And some that have blacked out. But I'm grateful for not being a drunk anymore. I don't really miss even the camaraderie and stuff with my friends and all that. The price was too high to live that, you know, that Irish way. No. But thank you for, you know, carrying me through the hard times and being with me during the good times. Celebrate good times. Come on. Abenge. Amen. MIIGWECH Bizadawi egg. Thank you for listening. Celebrate good times. Come on. It's a celebration. Dude, there was a big fire last night, or yesterday afternoon or something, over the Irish bar in Bemidji. I saw a little something on it, fire trucks, smoke coming out of an apartment. There were apartments above the bar. And so there were a bunch of people in the streets going, hey, I was getting drunk, and then I started smelling smoke, and I was like, I thought we couldn't smoke in this bar. And then it was like, sure enough, it was a full-on fire. Hope nobody was hurt. I guess. Why do we say that? I hope nobody was hurt, ever, in the world, from anything. I hope nobody ever dies again. Please, Heavenly Father, make it so nobody ever gets hurt or dies or gets sick or, what is that? I just hope I don't get hurt. Nah. But, yeah. I don't know. I guess I'll go back. Boop.
Okay, hey, BOOZHOO.
Hi, sweetie.
You ready to come home?
Yeah.
Did you say a prayer?
I said a prayer for you, baby.
Thanks. All right, hang on. I'm going to scan for your coordinates.
Okay.
1 to teleport.
Make it so, number 1.
All right, let's hope this happens. Cross your fingers.
Yeah, no kidding.
Hey, welcome back.
Thank you very much.
You still feel comfortable using this old thing?
Yeah, I'm sure we got a few more 1,000 miles.
If you don't want to use it anymore, we can get a new one.
We can't really afford a new one.
Yeah, we can. We're getting all kinds of super chats and that.
Oh, yeah. Hey, you guys, if you'd like to support the show, we do accept super chats during the live stream. Also, if you look down in the description, you can see some links to Patreon, PayPal, and GoFundMe. And we have a Teespring page if you want to buy some merch. Merch, as they call it.
Yeah.
And also, Michael Lyons has some books for sale. Onyx Blood is what was the word?
Allegory.
Allegory for the Native American boarding school experience. And for bicultural people, Onyx Blood. Vampire elf story. Or Little Cutie, a teddy bear's vision quest, is about teddy bears going on a vision quest and meeting the Great Spirit. Oh, we didn't talk about this one yesterday. And BOOZHOO is a picture book about a squirrel. This means hello, squirrel. And he walks. It's like for little kids, little babies or whatever. It's a picture book. It's just like, hello, squirrel. Hello, butterfly. Hello, squirrel. Hello, chickadee. And then it gets crazy. He meets an alien. And of course, the coloring book. And Michael is threatening to do a coloring book with me and NANABOOZHOO this summer. So look for that. But until then, we have an English Ojibwe coloring book by Michael Lyons. La la la. Do do do. How was that?
That was great. Thank you very much.
I'm doing commercials for Michael Lyons, the rock star cartoonist. Excuse me. Anywho, what do you think, baby? Should we call it a show?
We could call it a show.
Do you want to say anything before I sign out?
Nah, you did good. Just tell me I said thanks.
All right. Hey, everybody. MIIGWECH. BOOZHOO. Thank you for listening. And MIIGWECH GONAWABIEG. Thank you for watching BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Natasha. This is NANABOOZHOO.
Okay, hey, MIIGWECH.
This is Michael Lyons, the rock star cartoonist.
Thanks so much. We'll see you tomorrow.
And, yeah, I will see you again. Gigawabamin. Minowa. Oh, we didn't take any calls today.
No, I thought George Bush was going to call in too.
Yeah, maybe tomorrow. All right, one more time.
1 to teleport.
See you tomorrow. Make it so, number 1.